viewers and our valued customers. Welcome to Regional Tech Limited, the home of security wonders. Our today's episode is on smart lock, right? This smart lock is called Intelligent Smart Lock. Okay, it's the product of MV Team Smart Lock. The previous one has been on ZK Teco. Not fast. ZK Teco. So this is a different brand. Okay, this is not a ZK Teco product. So this is how the smart lock look like. Very portable, very fine. Now the door is locked. Right? We can access this door. Right? So this one has 3 to 4 authentication modes. It uses fingerprint. It uses PIN. It uses card, and it uses manual key. So the manual key is hidden somewhere here. Okay, so here it goes. This is the key, right? So if you want to, let's try to get it in. It's failed. Okay, so let's try using the finger. This is a fingerprint sensor. Since failed, this failed, right? So let's use the registered finger now, right? Here it goes. Unlock, right? Let me go in. Use it, right? So once it's locked, now it's locked. Okay. So we have other part here again, which is closer to trying to see it. We have this is the lock, right? Then the door is locked. Nobody can access it from outside, right? Then this is unlocked, right? So I can use this very side handle to unlock it manually from in, right? So it uses alkaline battery as well, right? Like a normal. This is how the battery looks like. We have 4 AA batteries, right? So remember to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Regional Tech Limited. See you there. Next time we'll update you on our newly branded product as well. Thank you.